At least he doesn't try and stop with them.
See, this will steer for you, okay? Oh, okay. You do it your way.
You know what? Why don't you sit back first? Sit further back. Let me see this one.
Oh, there you
Put them right here.
Yeah, little lever.
There, now you can
There
go.
we go.
You sit too close. So a real man doesn't sit that close.
Real man needs to run.
That's right.
That's good, Joseph.
You get the hang of it. A little bit hard on the heels.
Oh, shoot.
There we go. Sit further back on it, okay? Yeah. Sit further back on it. Put your feet here. All right, let's turn around. Ready? Keep your feet there. Okay, go.
Push the power.
Push it. His big feet keep stopping it.
Okay, how about we put our feet like this?
Oh, yeah, that's cool.
Okay.
Yeah.
Steer it.
Okay, Mommy.
You asked for too much.
So we're almost out of tape. There we go.
All right.
Hey! Keep going.
Keep going, press it.
That's right. Get on the sidewalk. Good boy. Want to turn around, go back towards Mom and Dad?
You gonna put your feet back up? Let's do it again.
Not near the street. Stop me. Come on.
We're ready.
Come on.
The button.
Put your feet up on the... He's stronger on this side. Okay.
We need to get you in the big yard.
Don, is there a bigger one?
I'm wondering if the one Veronica has is not a little bit bigger than this. I think it's
No, I think he had the same.
Now, this could be interesting.
Want to see this? We got it on tape.
Did you doubt what he was going to do?
Did you zoom in?
You could tell it was like, yeah, I got it.
Motorcycle.
Motorcycle, that's what they're
Motorcycle.
supposed to do.
Mommy's going to ride it.
No, Mommy's not gonna ride it.
Hey, big guy.
You can climb up on the very top. No, come down or go across.
No, it can't go across. He starts to come down, and if I get back of him, he just kind of lets himself fall.